Hi, welcome back to TinkerTricks number 9. I have this really big mess of stuff I've been working on, and I wanted to use the varying geometry to show you a tool I didn't know about until a few weeks ago, and it blew my mind. And that is the work plane tool, right over here next to the ruler, which I never use. And it lets you change your work plane. And I had no idea that TinkerCAD had this functionality. So I just changed my work plane to be on the side of this heart. And now if I pull a box, it's going to be on the side of that heart. Let me get rid of most of this so that it's a little cleaner. If you click on the work plane and you click on the original side, you'll go back to normal. You can tell because it's blue. So let me just take a roof here. All right, and let's say I want to put a box on the side of this roof. Normally what I would do is I would figure out the angle and I would try to get it lined up there. And now I have a weird dimensions in my box because it's tilted. But if I were to just click on the work plane tool and then click on the side of the box, you can see the cone pointing perpendicular to the face of the work surface. Now, look at this. I'm working on that angle. If I take my box and I align them, all my dimensions and everything is perfectly preserved. And when I get rid of my work plane, look, it's perfectly lined up here. And there's just so many things you can do with this. You can do this with a cylinder. You can go all the way around any particular face you wanted to work on. Now you can suddenly work on there. And this is just tremendously useful, and there's so many things that this can be used for. I can't go through all of them with this video, so I'm just going to say goodbye. Hope to see you next time, and maybe I'll make another one on this. Later.